Some people like to escape to warm and sunny destinations in winter. But some cities are at their best during the winter season. Festive lights, colorful markets, cozy cafes, and refreshing lack of crowds make these winter destinations worth the cold. London, England. There is no bad time to visit London, but the festive winter months truly transform the city. Christmas lights illuminate Oxford Street, while famous department store Harrods unveils its theatrical window displays. Hyde Park also opens its annual Winter Wonderland with its food stalls, ice rinks, and Ferris wheels. Hallstatt, Austria. This small Austrian village on the shores of Hallstatter Sea near Salzburg is one of the most picturesque places in the country. Its 12th century churches, charming restaurants, and market squares become more charming during the winter, especially when the Dachstein mountains that surround it are covered with snow. Berlin, Germany. Berlin is famous around the world for its Christmas markets, making it the perfect choice for a winter getaway. There are over 60 of them, but the most well-known is the picturesque Weihnachtszober, which features amazing products from artisans from across Germany. Monaco. Plan a high-rolling winter holiday with plenty of sunshine and party potential at Monaco. The spectacular cliffside seacoast will take your breath away during the day, as will the veritable forest of Christmas trees that grow annually in Casino Square. Stockholm, Sweden. Winter in Stockholm is a unique mix of traditional and contemporary. You can visit the Christmas market, go ice skating around the Kungsträd Garden, or enjoy the traditional food, and so much more. Strasbourg, France. Located in the picturesque Alsace region of France, Strasbourg sits on the border with Germany. It is home to one of the oldest Christmas markets in Europe, which features charming wooden huts and delicious roasted chestnuts, brazil, tarts flambés to keep the cold at bay. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague is one of the most enchanting winter destinations in the world. The cobblestone streets of the old town and the spires of the city's Castle Hill and St. Vitus Cathedral are covered in festive decorations. Reykjavik, Iceland. Set underneath the stunning northern lights, the Icelandic capital is lit up each winter. It is also home to the Yule Town Christmas market and the famous Winter Lights Festival in February. Bruges, Belgium. One of the best preserved medieval cities in Europe, Bruges turns into a fairy tale landscape each winter. Its winding canals and cobblestone streets are lit up with thousands of twinkling lights each year. Lucerne, Switzerland. Switzerland in winter is a top destination and is full of ski slopes and resort towns. However, for something different, you can visit nearby Lucerne. Located on Lake Lucerne, it is known for its amazing museums and ferry rides. Vienna, Austria. With its amazing mix of neoclassical palaces, old Christmas markets, and warm coffee houses, the Austrian capital is a must-see during winter. You can check out various holiday concerts and balls, including the Vienna Philharmonic Ball, and try delicious treats like Glühwein, hot chocolate, and Sachertorte. Don't forget to like this video and do tell us in the comment section about your experiences. Also, subscribe to Travel Earth and press the bell icon for more such videos.